This video will show you how to add and delete events from your event journal, as well as how to sign off events that you have attended. Once you're on the home page of the app, use the plus button on the bottom panel to navigate to the Select Event page. On this page, select an event that you have either already completed or are planning to complete. Once you have selected the event, it will be highlighted green, and you'll need to select the plus button again on the bottom bar to add it to your event journal. In order to receive points for the event, you must complete all student sign-off requirements. In this example, I chose Career Prep, Create Resume, and Refresh with New Information, in which I needed to email the Bully Center a copy of my resume for review. Here I am sending an email to the Bully Center, asking for it to be reviewed, as well as telling them that I would like to receive points as a member of the Bully Center Incentive Program. Once you attach your resume and hit send, return to the Incentive Program application. Navigate to the Event Sign-Off page, select the event that you have completed, and select the check mark in the bottom panel. This will prompt a pop-up box to come up where you will type in the event description, which is sent resume to Bully Center, and the event date that you have completed this. On at least the 1st and 15th of every month, the Bully Center staff will then verify your sign-offs and award you the points. Now say in the Select Event tab you accidentally added Program, Attend Company or Career Information Session to your event journal. Either you accidentally added it or you do not plan on attending, you are able to delete this event from your event journal, as long as you have not signed off or been awarded points. In order to delete the event, highlight it until it is green and select the Trash Can button in the bottom panel. You'll then be asked if you are sure you want to delete the record, and you can select yes. Another type of event you can select is one that says Program with multiple programs listed, such as this one. If I add it to my event journal and go to sign it off, after I have completed all student sign-off requirements, I can check it off and type in the exact one that I went to, detailing Training the Street, as well as the starting date of the 2-day program. As you can see, I've backdated this event, as this semester you may include events that date back to January 1st, 2021. After both student and staff sign-off requirements are complete, progress points will be shown here. You will also see what quartile you're ranked in, as well as any bonus stars you have received. If you have any other questions, or for more information, please contact the Bully Center.